Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering everything you already know. This narrows results and saves time. Once that list exists, search exact phrases in quotes and try common misspellings and nicknames so you don't miss variants. Make sure to hit major social platforms and use their native search bars because profiles often appear there first. As you search, note consistent details like hometown or employer that confirm matches. This reduces false positives and focuses your next steps. Next, you verify potential matches thoroughly to avoid mistakes. Use reverse image search on profile pictures to locate duplicate accounts or older profiles. This helps confirm identity. Then cross-check photos, posts, timestamps, and location tags, because matching contextual details provides stronger proof than a name alone. Also review mutual connections and public comments. If multiple independent indicators line up, you can be reasonably confident. If uncertainty remains, pause and gather more corroborating evidence before proceeding. Finally, approach contact ethically and directly through official channels like listed emails, business pages, or verified handles. You want a clear, professional message. Explain why you're reaching out, include relevant identifiers, and give an opt-out. This respects privacy and gets faster replies. If you can't find reliable contact, check archived pages or public records for leads, or politely ask a mutual connection to introduce you. If results are sparse, make sure not to pursue invasive methods. Stop and reassess if you hit walls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.